In this video, I am going to review the past 6 months performance of DJI Mini 4 Pro. I unboxed it 6 months ago. Watch this video till the end. I will review its footage, its flight, its cinematic view, and basically its every aspect. So watch till the end. The DJI Mini 4 Pro is lauded for its impressive compactness and advanced features. It has a 4K HDR camera, delivering sharp and vibrant visuals. It is equipped with 3-axis gimbal stabilization. It ensures smooth and steady footage. The drone offers extended flight time of up to 34 minutes and can operate over a 10-kilometer range, providing ample exploration capability. Its omnidirectional obstacle sensing enhances flight safety, while intelligent flight modes like focus track and master shots simplify capturing complex shots. The user-friendly DJI Fly app provides seamless control and editing options. Despite its tiny size, the DJI Mini 4 Pro impresses with a max flight time of 30 minutes on a single battery. But with 3 batteries, you can increase its flight time. It lets you capture expensive shots or explore for longer. Upgraded obstacle sensors and omnidirectional sensing help it handle wind gusts better, keeping your footage smooth. Plus, the max transmission range of up to 16 km with DJI RC controller lets you explore further without a connection drop, making the Mini 4 Pro a powerful performer. It has a tri-directional obstacle sensing, a first for DJI's Mini series. This means it can sense and avoid obstacles not just in front and behind but also below the drone. While most drone cameras are very poor in low-level flights, but this DJI Mini 4 Pro excels in low-level flight thanks to a couple of key features. First, its compact size and lightweight make it perfect for squeezing into tight spaces or capturing unique low-angle shots. Imagine capturing stunning footage skimming along a field of flowers or weaving between trees in a forest. The Mini 4 Pro size allows for these creative maneuvers. But what truly sets it apart from low-level flying is its brand new tri-directional obstacle sensing. Unlike previous mini drones, the Mini 4 Pro can not only sense obstacles in front and behind but also below the drone. This is a game changer for pilots who want to confidently navigate close to the ground. Capturing dynamic footage of a car in motion is a breeze with DJI Mini 4 Pro's point of interest follow feature. Imagine this: you are driving through beautiful landscapes and your DJI Mini 4 Pro hovers above, effortlessly tracking your vehicle. By setting the car as the POI, the drone locks onto it and circles smoothly, keeping it centered in the frame. This allows for stunning 360-degree shots, highlighting the car from all angles, while maintaining a steady and cinematic flow. Whether you are producing professional videos or simply enjoying a road trip, the POI follow feature on the DJI Mini 4 Pro turns everyday drives into epic visual stories. I captured different cinematic views during the previous 6 months. Guys, look at the cinematic view of DJI Mini 4 Pro. The DJI Mini 4 Pro is equipped with a 1-inch CMOS sensor, a significant upgrade from its predecessors. This larger sensor size allows for better light sensitivity, improved dynamic range, and enhanced overall image quality. It captures photos at 20 megapixel resolution and records video in 4K at up to 60 frames per second. The filmmakers can capture detailed, sharp footage with vibrant colors, even in challenging light conditions. One of the critical components of cinematic footage is stability, and the Mini 4 Pro excels here with its 3-axis gimbal stabilization system. Its gimbal system effectively counteracts drone movements and vibrations, resulting in smooth, jitter-free footage. Whether you are performing slow sweeping shots or dynamic maneuvers, the gimbal ensures that the camera remains steady, providing a professional look to the footage straight out of the camera.